General Secretary of the People's Progressive Party, Civic Barjagdi, on Thursday disclosed plans of updating the country's copyright legislation. His disclosure came in wake of the recent court action by Guyanese musicians Jackie Hanover and Ivan Harry, who filed a $1.6 million lawsuit against One Communications for the unauthorized use of their musical compositions, Guyana and O Guyana. Attorney-at-law Nigel Hughes, during his party's media briefing on Friday, said that the country's copyright law, or legislation which predates 1956, deserves to be remodeled.
Several decades too late, we support the call for the implementation for up-to-date copyright legislation.
The AFC leaders stressed that a modern copyright legislation serves as a custodian of intellectual property for local and international artists who seek to have their content marketed here.
We cannot begin to purport to be a modern democratic society, and we do not have legislation to protect the intellectual property both of our citizens and those international persons who seek to have their products, their intellectual property products, marketed in Guyana.
Hughes pointed to seriousness of copyright legislation.
I am sure that several of you have come across on social media and on the internet, on some occasions, particularly in the British Broadcasting Corporation's publications, when you attempt to play the video, they say that the playing of the video is not authorized in your country.
The Attorney-at-law strongly believes that the time has come for the government to put this framework into action.
We believe it is long overdue. Our artists have been calling for it for decades. And if the government is sincere in its efforts, we believe that they should table this as a matter of priority.
Conversations about copyright legislation had long been on the lips of Guyanese. One can remember Dr. Frank Anthony, after he was appointed Minister of Culture, Youth and Sport, was very vocal about copyright legislation. Dr. Anthony held the position of Minister of Culture, Youth and Sport from 2006 to 2015. He now serves as Minister of Health. Antonio De reporting for the AGP Nightly News.